Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. It's April and we got Barrel and Blade subscription box for this month. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I hope everybody's having a good April so far. And let's see what Barrel and Blade sent out to us this month. But before I open the box, if you're interested in this particular subscription box, this is a monthly box, and the website, cleverly enough, is barrelandblade.com. I have a link to it in the video description. The level 1 monthly box is $49.99. The level 2 box is $99.99. And this is a level 2 box. So let's see what they got. Alright, we got a card that's Operation 58. And I see some good stuff already. Man, check that out. We got a knife mat. I'll just leave it there for a second so you guys can check it out. Yeah. Dude, that's really cool. It's got check and tighten screws, blah, blah, blah. T6, T8, T10, hex, blade angles. It's got all of the knives, all of the blades, the shapes and stuff. Tells you maintenance. Oh, it tells you what all the... Oh, that is really cool. All right, cool. All right, I'm loving that. That's awesome. Let's see what we got here. We got some Breakthrough Clean Technologies multi-purpose quick wipes. Cleans, lubricates, and protects. Non-toxic and odorless. All right, for use on firearms, tools, auto, metal, locks, marine, bicycle, archery, and your house. So this is kind of a do-it-all kind of wipe. All right. So yeah, very handy. Put that over there. Now let's see, we got a Condor something or other. And we got one of these don't eat packs. And let's see, we got a little Condor utility pouch. So yeah, it's just a little simple little utility pouch that has some Molly. Has some Molly on the back with some... Are these removable? Yeah, I'm thinking they're removable, these two pieces here. I think they're removable. So you can do whatever you want with them. You can leave them on the inside. You can leave them on the inside. You can move them to the outside. You know, whatever you want to do. Or you can just run Molly webbing through it and be done with it. On the front, they have some Velcro. They have a zippered pouch on the front. And yeah, and then they have a compartment. The main compartment here has... It does have a drain. So if it takes on any water... And it does have a little mesh. Hopefully you can see that, guys. It's got a little mesh pocket in there. So yeah, little pouches like this are always handy for all of us wannabe tactical people out there that, you know, believe we're John Rambo. Stuff comes in handy. All right, let's see. I like this. So in case the stuff spills, it doesn't go all over everything else. This is some Breakthrough HP 100 knife oil. Shake well before use. All right, odorless. So we got a little thing here of some knife oil. Hopefully that'll focus. Just a little bottle. How big is this? This is what? 1 fluid ounce. All right. And now we got some knives. We got a Kershaw. Let's see what we got from Kershaw. It says it's a tool. It's a TX tool. So let's see what this is about. You know, a lot of people... you know, kind of bang on Kershaw on their stuff, but, you know, I really like them. I've got several of their knives, and I don't really have a problem with them, you know, as long as you keep your expectation to, you know, what the actual knife is, you'll be fine. So this is just a little tool here that in the handle it has all of your bits that fit very easily back into the handle there. And it does have a little, like a pocket clip. And you can probably, it's got a pretty pronounced end piece there. So yeah, it does have a little clip right here. You can clip it on your pocket or in your, you know, if you got a shirt pocket, you can clip it on there. And it gives y'all a bunch of little tools. So just a little mini screwdriver kind of thing. And then we got a Mantis Knife, or at least Mantis Knives anyway. What is this? MK4B. Yeah, not very, they're not doing nothing on the namings, that's for sure. Improved engineering, it claims. So let's see what we got here with this. Ooh, check that out. Ooh, that's pretty. I like blue. I really like blue, so this thing kind of tickles my fancy already. Blue's my favorite color. And yeah, let's see here. How do you unlock it? All right, let's look at the card real quick and see what you didn't get real quick. Okay, both boxes got the Condor pouch, the Kershaw TX tool. They got the HP 100 knife oil. Both boxes got the multi-purpose quick wipes and the shop mat. The level 2 box contained this knife, which I am having difficulty figuring out how you open it. Why am I having difficulty figuring out how to open this thing? Okay, is there... Oh, there you go. Oh, that's interesting. So you gotta reset that to lock it. Okay, I don't know. Well, I got it open. And there it is. And I guess you just fold it. And you fold this thing back this way. Ooh, I don't like this. This is too much. This is too much work. Yeah, I don't like this. Do you have to... Okay, there you go. So that's the knife open and folded. You can see it there. So it does have this little ring here on the end. You know, you can do whatever. This is, yeah, I don't like this. I like the color, I don't like the knife. And now let's see, you just depress this little button right here, and it unlocks this thing, this little thing right there. So to close it, you have to fold it back, and then you have to rotate this piece back down, and you have to make it line up with that hole. I mean, with the little notch down there. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like it. It does have a belt clip, but hey, I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. If it's your thing, if you like that kind of knife, cool. You got it in this month's box. Let's see what it does say about that knife, because that's a very interesting knife. This is one of the coolest knives to flip open. Flip open? It's one of the coolest knives. Oh, I got you. But you have to do all this rigmarole to get it back closed. Okay. I don't think that's the coolest knife I've ever had to flip open. I don't know. Still don't like it. Let's see. So skeletonized G10 Nestle steel liners. Blah 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 blah. It's a finished M-VX steel. Deep jimping on the spine. M-VX steel. Never really heard of M-VX steel. So it's another one of those mystery, made up steels that knife companies like to do. Okay, so with this box, we got this really cool mat. So if you're working on your knives, cleaning them and stuff, it is that cool, whatever that stuff is, like the gun mats and stuff, like a mouse pad. So yeah, you got that. That's awesome. That's a double thumbs up right there on that. We got some knife fold. Thumbs up on that. Quick wipes. Love it. Love the little Condor pouch and this little tool. Always come in handy. So yeah, this box was a win, except for, I will say, if you got the level 1 box, you probably would have been happy, because if anybody got this, let me know, or if you've seen this Mantis MK4 Vuja Day. Okay, whatever. It's like deja vu backwards. Yeah, let me know. Comment section down below. If you made it this far, thank you for hanging out with me on this box opening. And please subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed already, I'll put a subscription button over here, put a suggested video here. Hit that comment section. Let me know about this box if you think this box was worth your $99. And we'll see you next time. Peace.